y'all? We back here with another video. Yeah, Burnside. Yeah, Sid. But yeah, and I'm gonna also probably record on Halloween here. But I'm gonna let you guys get into the fucking list. Let's get it. We're at the DIY spot that we built.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Fuck. This is the Twinkie right here that we're getting. And then this is what we made like back last month.
So come here.
This we made last month too. We need to fix right here though. But yeah. Wait, whose is that? Is that mine?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to take that home. Nah! But,
We're gone.
alright, y'all. Hey, y'all, this is the end of the video. If y'all could go like and subscribe, I appreciate it. And I'm gonna put something in the description so you guys can donate to the skate park that me and my homies are making. But yeah, I mean, nothing else for me to say, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate it. Peace.